Hi there, students. Diffident. Okay, diffident is an adjective, and you have the corresponding adjective diffidently. Okay, if you describe somebody as diffident, they lack self-confidence. They're timid. They're modest. So he was very diffident about giving a speech. Yeah, he really didn't want to do it. His character is very diffident. He's hesitant to assert himself. He was too diffident to express his opinion. Okay, so if somebody's diffident, they're hesitant to act or to speak because they're not very confident. Reserved, unassertive, introverted as well. Okay, so diffident. People in places of authority are almost never diffident. He was very diffident about speaking about personal matters. Yeah, he was shy about it. So he was too diffident to complain, even though the service was clearly substandard. Don't be diffident. Go ahead and assert yourself. This is what you should do. So don't be so shy. He was always diffident and reserved in meetings, reluctant to speak, shrinking, a shrinking violet, bashful if you like, yeah, lacking self-confidence and hesitant to speak. Yeah, so I think this is probably the opposite of confident. Yeah, if you're diffident, you don't want to be noticed, or you're so uncertain about your abilities. You lack so much self-confidence that you don't really want to speak or act. You don't want to rock the boat or get noticed. Yeah, so diffident, coy, demure, retiring, self-effacing as well. So normally people in places of importance are not diffident, like I said. The CEO was not diffident. If you're trying to coax someone, then it's best to be calm and maybe more diffident. He made a diffident suggestion. He didn't have a great confidence in the suggestion that he made. So, next question. How formal is this? Diffident. I'd probably give it something like a 6.5. It sounds a bit literary. It's a word that maybe some natives might not know. I think more informally, shy, lacking self-confidence, modest, timid, something like that. And as to origin, well, it comes to us from Latin, from the verb diffidere. Okay, the di is the negative bit, and then from fidere, to trust. So not trusting yourself. Yeah, so somebody that is diffident is reticent and reluctant to speak or to act. They're marked by self-restraint. Yeah, so don't be diffident. Tell me exactly what you think. There's no problem about it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Diffidently.